Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset or set up two-factor authentication on crypto.com. For that, you need to come to crypto.com, and once you are on the home page, you need to simply tap on these three horizontal lines in the top left hand corner of the screen. After that, you just have to scroll down and select settings. In the settings, select the option of security, and in the security, you just have to select the option of two-factor authentication. Over here, you will be able to see the reset 2FA option. So you need to tap on reset 2FA, and then it will ask you, do you have access to your existing 2FA credentials? So if you have it, then you need to select yes, but if you don't, then you need to press the no button. After that, you just have to follow further instructions, like you just have to provide your passcode over here, and then you just have to check this box and press confirm. After that, you need to follow further on-screen instructions in order to successfully reset your two-factor authentication. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.